I am not going out like a punk, says Jamaican who defended himself against a robber in Miami.
I never know how to come out of it alive. I never know how to come out of it alive.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Yardman no play with people. That was the reaction of most Jamaicans to a news clip making the rounds on social media that reported that a 60-year-old Miami man with a heavy Jamaican accent was forced to shoot and kill an alleged gunman who had broken into his van early on Monday morning.
This guy I killed last night, he just pushed an AK-47 in my face. He come to kill, he come for blood.
The man, Donovan Stewart, claimed that the gunman had attempted to rob him of his jewelry.
I guess what they after? My jewelry.
He proceeded to explain how the incident unfolded.
The only reason why I come out of it alive is when I grab that AK and I put it to the side and keep baking it and make sure I can lift down again and keep baking it.
Stewart abruptly woken up by a loud knock at the door as he slept in his van off Northwest 6th Court near 71st Street. When he finally got up to check who was outside,
The door was so violently grabbed open, and by I look up, an AK was in my nose. I used common sense and quick reflect, get the AK out, and I empty my Glock in his chest.
police closed off the street for much of the morning as they investigated the shooting.
A very animated Donovan appeared very proud of his Jamaican roots and his skills in handling a firearm as he spoke to other reporters.
And as a guy who was born and grew in Kingston town, I'm not gonna go out like a punk. This man who knock on my door while I dead sleep. So I said, well, all right. This is what gonna happen now. You gonna kill me and me gonna kill you. Let's see. So quick thinking, quick reflex, I'm trained. I'm a security officer, I got a G license, I got a concealed weapon license, and I'm a member of the NRA. While he pushed the K in my face, it was so close, I get the nozzle away from my face, and I empty my Glock in my chest. When he ply my door open, the only thing he do is tuck the AK in my face. And my gun was right there, and what you doing? And that's how I get it. To defend my life and my family, I have the possibility to defend innocent people, I'll do it too. You know? You just don't wake me up in the morning and push a AK up my nose and think you're going to live. No. They try the wrong person with that.
In the meantime, Miami police officer Mike Vega said while this appears to be a case of self-defense, the investigation is still open. Everyone is cooperating, he said, but we still need to receive more information. We need to put this all together and determine what happened. As a matter of routine procedure, Miami police have confiscated Stewart's gun and van, leaving him homeless. The police, however, have offered to help him.
Was your life or his?
Well, I'd rather his life.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.